Okay, so on this one we're going to start with the shoe again here. So this is the one we're going to use, this copper cutter. Here is the cookie. We are going to be rolling out some red fondant. Cornstarch underneath. Make sure you don't get it on the top. Okay, because you don't want to have that cornstarch on your nice red fondant. Okay, and we're going to use a different texture mat this time. The last one that we used, the design was raised. These texture mats, these are also for clay, these will actually make the impression go in. So what I want to do is take it like this, and this time I am going to roll it because this is a different type of mat. I usually start rolling from the center one way and then come back the other way and see how it makes a really nice pattern. Here's another one that I like a lot. It's like a swirl kind of a pattern, which is good if you're going to do shoes for wedding favors or something. Okay, so now let me just make sure I can still pick it up. Okay, good. So now I'll take the cookie cutter and place it right over. Sometimes I like to, you know, look at the design and kind of see where I want my, this one, it all looks pretty good. So I'll just go ahead and place it there. And then push down, kind of give it a little bit of a wiggle, okay, to get a clean cut. Lift that up. Okay. Water. This time I'm going to put the water on the cookie and place it on here. Now this is one of the cookies, it's a little more fragile because of the, you know, how this comes out here and this. So you just want to be careful. Okay, on this one I also do like to place the a black strip of fondant down here. And actually see right here where this comes off, that little point is, I actually like to make that black. So I'll just take and I'll just cut a little of this off. And I don't have much room down here, so I'll cut that off also. Okay, roll up the red, get the black fondant out. Okay, and then we're going to do the cord thing. As soon as your cord gets dry, you'll have trouble rolling it. So that's why you always knead it up a little bit first. So if you're having problems with that, which a lot of people actually do, it's either because the fondant's too dry or that you have cornstarch there, and it's either way it's drying it out. Okay, so put that down there, and then a real small one here on the other end, like so. And then since we have the fondant out, I like to place a flower. We're right here. I'm not really sure if that was a flower or a bow, what that was supposed to be. And you could put either on. I'm just going to use a plunger cutter and cut out a flower. Pick it up like so and pop it right in that area there. Now you can have this even, you know, cup these if you want and have them sticking up more. But what you have to think about, if you're going to bag these cookies, maybe to give out at a shower or something, the more that's cupped up, it's more likely to break in the bag. So you might want to keep them a little bit more on the flat side.